SoundHound AI Incorporated, NASDAQ, Sound, a name synonymous with conversational AI, has been making waves in 2024. With a year marked by acquisitions, fluctuating stock prices, and ambitious revenue targets, SoundHound's journey offers a fascinating glimpse into the volatile world of tech stocks. Let's dive into the highlights of Sound's performance this year and explore what makes this stock both a darling and a daredevil for investors. The roller coaster ride. Stock performance in 2024. 2024 has been nothing short of a roller coaster for SoundHound stock. The year began with a modest price of $2.80, but saw a gradual rise, peaking at $5.02 in August. However, it's important to note that Sound is still trading 52.29% below its 52-week high, illustrating the challenges the company faces in a highly competitive AI market. Despite these fluctuations, SoundHound remains 228.19% above its 52-week low, a testament to its resilience and market potential. Investors have witnessed sharp spikes and dips, influenced by market sentiment, strategic announcements, and broader economic conditions. The stock's performance also reflects the high volatility typically associated with small-cap tech stocks, where significant gains often come with equally significant risks. The year's stock movements highlight the delicate balance between growth potential and market confidence, as investors weigh the company's innovations against its financial uncertainties. A closer look: financial health and challenges. SoundHound's financial performance in 2024 paints a mixed picture. The company reported a record Q2 revenue of $13.5 million, representing a 54% year-over-year growth. Yet this positive development is tempered by significant losses, with a profit margin of 198.59% and operating margins deep in the red. Despite these challenges, SoundHound boasts over $200 million in cash reserves, providing a buffer against market volatility and enabling strategic investments. This financial cushion is critical as the company navigates the challenges of scaling its operations while contending with high operational costs. Investors are keenly watching how SoundHound manages its expenditures and whether it can turn this impressive revenue growth into sustainable profitability. The company's ability to convert its technological advancements into consistent revenue streams will be pivotal in determining its long-term success. Furthermore, SoundHound's approach to managing its resources during this high-growth phase will likely dictate its financial trajectory over the coming years. The Amelia acquisition. A bold move or a risky gamble? One of the most significant moves by SoundHound this year was its acquisition of Amelia, an enterprise AI software firm, for $80 million. This strategic purchase aims to expand SoundHound's reach in the conversational AI space across various industries. While this acquisition has sparked investor interest, driving a temporary surge in stock prices, the long-term benefits are yet to be realized. Investors are cautiously optimistic, hoping this gamble pays off in the coming quarters. The integration of Amelia's technologies could open new revenue streams and strengthen SoundHound's position in the enterprise market, but it also adds to the complexity of the company's operations, potentially increasing execution risk. As the company integrates Amelia's technology and customer base, the real test will be in how effectively these synergies are realized. The success of this acquisition could set a precedent for future expansions or, if mishandled, could serve as a cautionary tale for overly ambitious growth strategies. Market sentiment. Analyst ratings and forecasts. The analyst community has shown a cautiously optimistic stance on Sound. The consensus rating for the stock is a moderate buy, with a price target of $7.08, suggesting a potential upside of 52.99%. However, there are outliers in these forecasts, with the most optimistic target at $9.50 and the most conservative at $4. This range highlights the uncertainty surrounding the stock, driven by its high volatility and the competitive landscape. Analysts are particularly focused on how SoundHound's strategic initiatives, such as its recent acquisitions and product rollouts, will impact its long-term growth trajectory. The wide range of price targets reflects differing opinions on the company's ability to execute its ambitious plans. This diversity in analyst opinion underscores the importance of carefully monitoring SoundHound's progress, as market sentiment can shift rapidly based on the company's quarterly performances and broader economic trends. Tech titans or titanic failures, competitors, and market position. SoundHound operates in a fiercely competitive market, with giants like Google and Amazon dominating the AI space. However, SoundHound's niche focus on voice AI and conversational intelligence sets it apart. The company's ability to innovate and secure partnerships, such as the recent deals with automotive giants Alfa Romeo and Citroën, showcases its potential to carve out a significant market share despite the competition. These partnerships are crucial for SoundHound as they provide a platform to showcase its cutting-edge technology to a global audience, potentially leading to further collaborations and revenue opportunities. Nonetheless, the challenge remains in differentiating its offerings in a market where larger players have significantly more resources. SoundHound's ability to sustain its competitive edge will depend heavily on continuous innovation and the successful implementation of its AI solutions in real-world applications. Profitability concerns. Can SoundHound turn the tide? Despite its impressive revenue growth, SoundHound's profitability remains a concern. The company's net losses have been staggering, with an expected net loss of $114 million for 2024. The market is keenly watching SoundHound's cost management strategies and revenue-generating initiatives to determine if the company can eventually turn a profit. With a negative PE ratio, SoundHound is currently a risky play for profit-focused investors. The company's path to profitability will likely require a combination of increased revenue, cost reductions, and possibly further strategic acquisitions to bolster its market position. The ability to execute on these fronts will be crucial in determining whether SoundHound can achieve financial sustainability. A peek into the future. Revenue projections. SoundHound has ambitious revenue targets for 2024 and 2025, with expectations to exceed $80 million and $150 million respectively. These targets are driven by the company's expanding product portfolio and strategic partnerships. However, meeting these targets will require flawless execution and continued market adoption of SoundHound's AI solutions. The company's ability to meet or exceed these projections will be closely watched by investors and analysts alike, as it will be a key indicator of SoundHound's long-term viability. Achieving these revenue milestones could also provide the necessary momentum to improve investor confidence and support the stock price. Insider moves. What are the executives doing? Insider trading activity often provides insight into a company's future prospects. In SoundHound's case, there have been significant insider sales, including transactions by key executives such as Director Marcus Lawrence and CTO Timothy Stone Hawker. While insider sales aren't always a red flag, they do raise questions about the confidence levels of those closest to the company's financials. On the other hand, such sales could also be interpreted as executives capitalizing on the stock's recent gains. Investors should keep an eye on further insider activity, as it could signal changes in the company's internal expectations or upcoming strategic shifts. The small cap gamble. Is Sound worth the risk? As a small cap stock, SoundHound is inherently volatile. While it offers high reward potential, it also comes with substantial risks. The stock's high volatility is reflected in its average true range of 0.36, a metric that traders use to gauge potential price swings. Investors considering Sound should be prepared for a bumpy ride, with potential for both significant gains and losses. Small-cap stocks like SoundHound are often subject to greater market manipulation and are more sensitive to news events, making them a challenging but potentially rewarding option for risk-tolerant investors. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into SoundHound AI Incorporated. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support really helps us out. Also, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to break down the market's biggest movers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.